Tired of your emails hitting walls? Bounce rates skyrocketing? Juggling a dozen different tools just to manage your lists? There's a better way. Introducing Kinetimail Suite, the all-in-one Windows powerhouse built to revolutionize your email outreach. Start by cleaning your lists. Our format checker instantly identifies and removes malformed email addresses, stopping typos and syntax errors dead in their tracks. Then, go deeper. The domain validator checks for real, existing domains and filters out disposable or role-based addresses, protecting your sender reputation before you even send. Stay organized. The list separator helps you remove duplicates, split large lists into targeted segments, and merge lists effortlessly for more personalized campaigns. Now, find new prospects. Use the powerful email extractor to harvest addresses from text files, a single URL, or crawl an entire website to build your perfect contact list. Before you send, test everything. The SMTP Tester verifies your server settings to ensure perfect configuration and maximum deliverability for every campaign. Finally, unleash your outreach. The Email Bulk Sender lets you launch personalized mass email campaigns directly from your desktop. It's fast, reliable, and built for results. Kinetimail Suite puts you in control. Improve your deliverability, protect your reputation, and replace expensive subscriptions with one powerful Windows tool. Stop struggling. Start succeeding. Get Kinetimail Suite today.